And welcome back. We're taking a look again at our Patreon channel. We're taking a look at some of the projects that we support on Patreon. And if you head over to our channel, down at the bottom right hand corner is where they hide the projects that we support on Patreon. So I mentioned it before in this series, but people support us financially. This is one of the ways that we stay online and in business. And we take some of that financial support and divert it right back into the system so that we can promote some of the channels that we find worthy, that we find doing good work out there for the second. We feel it's worth the $30, approximately $30 a month to help promote these channels. So today we're taking a look at the James Kaleda podcast. James Kaleda is one of the few people in this list who I have not yet met personally, but I am a fan. So I'm donating the $1 that he gets over there. Like I mentioned, we only donate $1. We are donating other people's money, and hopefully this will be the thing that gets the ball rolling for his projects. I have not yet met with him. I've been attempting to email with him, but we've been going back and forth on that. He seems to be a sort of person who's just a regular guy, had some issues in the past in New Jersey, and that prompted him to start being a more of a Second Amendment advocate and activist, and he has a podcast, one of my favorite 2A podcasts to listen to. It's just 1/2 an hour with 2A people. James starts it out, lets them talk, and then ends it a half an hour later. It's one of the best no-nonsense podcasts I've ever heard. So I'm looking forward to finally meeting him at some point, or having him on our show to talk more about his interests and his perspective on it all. And again, Patreon, a platform designed to allow people to be part of the creation of content so that we can be have some input in the direction that content goes, and we can have some influence on what's out there for society. This is some valuable stuff in my opinion. I encourage you to check it out. I encourage you to join me in sponsoring him or financially supporting him over on Patreon, and letting him know that it's worthy. His efforts are worthy of his time. So check it out. If you know anything about James or his podcast, feel free to leave some comments in the description here. Stay tuned for more in this series, and as always, thanks for watching.